say, girl, you fine. I'm tryna make you mine. I ain't tryna waste no time. Hop on my ride. Got a whip parked outside. Got a condo, we can go slide. Know I got pride, but I put that to the side. Think I need that on my side. Look at them thighs. Look at that waist. Look at them hips. Look at that face. She know that I'm a thug. I ain't going on a date.
Hi there. Today, I'm doing a get ready with me for a first date. So, this get ready with me is about to be long. But, yeah. But, I put on my fit or whatever. I need to redo my hair. Not even redo it, but just like slick it down, you know. You know the deal. I need to do that. Ooh. Okay. Get you some. Sniffing. Secondly, I need to clean my belly button piercing. Travel toothpaste, and I bought my whole toothpaste, like the full size. Oh, my head itch, and my nose keeps running. I cannot deal. Where's my edges brush at? Oh, here we go. Y'all, I paid $5 for this. And then when I went to the hair store yesterday, they had it for 99 cents. So that's amazing, honestly. I had to focus my camera. I don't want to keep sniffling, but Jesus. My nose is running, and I don't blow my nose because to me that makes your nose worse. So I never blow my nose. I'm just taking some Ray's edge wax, and I'm re-slicking down my edges. I'm gonna have to wash my hair. Because I'm only doing this ponytail for today. That's literally the only reason why I did this ponytail. I'm going to tell y'all the details about my hair in a second after I finish slicking it. Because this takes maximum focus. I really don't know how because my edges... Oh no, never mind. They're slicking like this. But I have to use the brush part because that works better for me. I'm glad I got one of these brushes because apparently toothbrushes are going out of style. So, I know I was going to say they have good rolls. This is me trying to make sure. I want to do these little things that everybody be doing. I don't even know how to explain it. I don't know how to explain it, so I probably shouldn't do it, but like the little curls on the side that they be doing. I don't know if that's gonna look great. No, it's not gonna look great, so we're just gonna slick it back. I got the extra hold. I know I'm running out. Well, I'm not even running out, but it's starting to go low. And I don't want to run out when I'm trying to like do a sew-in or some braids or something. So I just got some more. So I should be good on that. I don't use it on my natural hair because it doesn't hold my natural hair. It'll hold my straightened hair though. There's just some wrap strips. Paid $5 for these two, and okay, it doesn't even matter at this point. I'm wrapping it up because I know I'm finna go wash my face and I don't want to mess up my edges. Usually I just finger detangle it because like I don't want a track to fall out. I should straighten it, but I'm not because it's raining anyway, so. And I'm taking this out tomorrow, so. Yeah, I'm gonna be right back after I wash my face and stuff. You already know my skincare routine, so no reason for me to go into detail, but I'm not gonna speed it up because this get ready with me needs to be at least like 5 minutes. And right now, it's probably not that long. But I might be able to get it to like 11 minutes. If people even watch it. I had another shirt I was gonna wear, trust me, it was really cute, but it was like all the way up here, and I just felt like it didn't look right with these pants. It was cute though, and I don't think that he's dressing up like that either, so I'm not gonna wear it because it's really dressy, and I'm not trying to outdress my boyfriend. I used the Claire's ear care solution to clean my nose, and I think this is from when my little sister got her ears pierced. So it's probably like 5 years old, but I'm not about to use my H2O spray because that spray is expensive. And I really just need it for my belly button piercing. And I don't even clean my industrial no more. Like, I haven't changed it since I got it pierced. I got pierced like 2 years ago. That's great. It's getting hot in my room. It's this light. Definitely the light. Okay, let me stop. I don't know why, but I use this on my skin too, so I'm gonna use it on my chest and my neck or whatever, so my chest and stuff is soft. Smells good though. I'm trying to be glowing, you know. I did not bring any makeup whatsoever because I didn't feel like putting on makeup and taking it off, so didn't do that. Also, I tried this waxing kit this past week, and I'm gonna do a review on it because it's really good, but it hurt, and I just feel like I want to tell y'all my experience because I felt like I was finna die. Yeah, there's that. Then I'm just gonna spray like a ton on me so I smell good. Period. I have to like do that, spraying it on my shoes too. And my jacket. Okay y'all, so this is the fit. Put my flash down, I don't know why that's up. This is the fit. It's a top from Hollister. Some Hollister jeans and my Uggs because it is cold and rainy outside, so yeah. So this hair is actually from BuLaDou Hair. I've done a review on this same hair, I just haven't had it installed yet, but I just want to say that the hair is really soft. I put in 18 inches, but of course it stretches down to about 22, 24 inches on me because it's a ponytail, so it does extend longer. Yeah, the hair is really good. The company is amazing. I'm really appreciative for them being patient with me and not rushing me because I've had companies that have rushed me and it's really annoying. But yeah, I think the hair is cute. They also sent me a closure, but I had dyed, I think, my 16-inch, so I didn't do a sew-in because I felt like it was going to look weird because that bundle is like burgundy. So I love the hair. I would definitely do business with them again or even buy from them on my own because the hair is really nice and it's not shedding or anything like that. If you guys want to get this Brazilian hair, then the link will be in the description box so you guys can get it and we can twin. Let me know how y'all like the hair. I hope you guys enjoy this little get ready with me. We're supposed to be going at 3 and it's 2:30 right now, so we're about to go get him in a couple minutes or so. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna vlog any of that because it's supposed to be like a date and I don't want to be recording him and stuff, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this little get ready with me and this little hair review. If you guys want a tutorial on this hairstyle, then let me know because of course I'll do that. If you guys want to see that, I'm probably going to do it anyways. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.